Yes. Okay. Very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back to my channel. And I hope that you all are ready for mathematical reasoning, simple interest, and compound interest. Okay, so today we are going to study so much about simple interest and compound interest कि आप लोगों को आपके एग्जाम क्वेश्चन से डर ही नहीं लगेगा. It will be a combination of questions of simple interest and compound interest, which you will be solving step by step. First, I'll be giving you the formulas of both, and then we'll be starting with the questions ahead. So, welcome back to the classes. Hope you all are good. Quickly, those who have joined the classes, they can comment in the comment section and also click on the like button of this video. Don't feel shy. You can click one time on like button of this video and also get your pen and paper, because without pen and paper you won't be able to guess the correct answer. Okay, and if you have pen and paper, you sincerely put all your efforts in multiplication, addition, subtraction, and everything and percentages, then definitely you will get all the answers step by step with me. Okay, I'll be telling you how to solve the questions. Okay, so hi, hello, hi, I can see Shanmukha, Gurleen, Retika. All questions correct. Very nice, Shanmukha. That's great. Gurleen and Polemy, good afternoon. Hi, Ramakant. Hello, Itisha. Attending after so many days. Where were you? Long time no see. Hi, Ganesh. Hello, Lekha. Hello, Manisha. Afsar, Joshin. Manisha, very well performed yesterday. Okay, in the yesterday's class. Okay, okay. I can see Vanilla. Then Afsar, Geetika. गुड आफ्टरनून कर दिया दैट्स ग्रेट हाय साकेत गुड आफ्टरनून मैम आपकी क्लासेस से टफ टॉपिक्स थोड़ा इजी लगता है आई रियली विश इस क्लास के बाद आप सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस भी और ज़्यादा अच्छे से सॉल्व कर पाए एंड मैं शायद थोड़ा सा आपका फेयर ऑफ सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इन कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट सिंपली रिमूव कर पाऊँ ओके सो जी सेट एग्जाम 6 को तो थोड़ा डर लग रहा है ओके डोंट वरी अबाउट इट यू नो सेट के क्वेश्चंस आई हैव सीन दे आर वेरी टीनी टाइनी as compared to net exam questions. Net exam questions are so long. Set exam questions are very small. So just stay focused on your concept. More and more, just read the PDFs, material, and everything will be fine. Trust me, everything will be okay. Okay, so let's get started. Those who are joining for the very first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Niharika Bhagtani. I've qualified JRF in Commerce with 99.83 percentile and All India rank 15, and I love maths. And I will be teaching you maths in the most simplified way possible. This is my profile on Unacademy platform, and you can check out from the description of this video. You can click on the description, you'll get my profile link. You can follow me on Unacademy also, and you can join the educator community as well. And you can see I take special classes also on Unacademy. Those are absolutely free, and I also teach on Unacademy Plus. So my plus courses, that is paper 1, paper 2 completely. My paper 2 is commerce. Okay, my expertise is in commerce. So see, so all 20 units I teach on Unacademy Plus platform, full course coverage, combined PDF, doubt clearing session, live explanation, and mock tests of Unacademy you will get on Unacademy Plus. Till now I have launched all these courses, so you can definitely pause this video and you can see after the class that what are the benefits of joining Unacademy Plus. Well, it will be very useful if you want to complete the full course. Right now in Unacademy Plus, I'm teaching mathematical reasoning, and in paper 2, I'm teaching legal aspect of business. MR, I'm teaching 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. and legal aspect of business from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. I'm teaching. So you can take any subscription, plus subscription or iconic subscription. Just don't forget to use my referral code NIX28. Also, one more thing, one more information, that you can ace your NTA UGC NET scholarship test. You can ace your preparation by cracking the test and stand a chance to win up to 100% scholarship and exciting prizes. So I would just like to know that what are the exciting prizes. Rank 1 in this will get 100% scholarship as well as tablet. Rank 2, 5G smartphone, earbuds, home speakers, gift vouchers worth rupees 1000. Rank 1, 11 to 50. And other than that, till 500 you will get 50%, 25%, and 15% scholarship. So make sure that you enroll. The link will be given on Telegram, Also, I will update the link in the description of this video. So you can enroll, that is for free. Okay, and plus I'm teaching all these topics. So come on, let's get started with our homework question. This was a homework question yesterday. Please quickly, please tell me that what is your answer for this? Many of you have given answer. Will be there in all YT and special classes. Awesome, that's great. So we'll be meeting almost daily. Okay. So find the loss or gain percentage if the SP of 10 articles, all of same kind, is equal to CP of 8 articles. Now, quickly tell me what is the answer. Some of you have already given answer in the comment section. Very nice. You all are getting 20% loss. Yes, those who were getting 25% gain or 25% loss or 20% gain, they were very, very close. So you were very, very close, but still you were wrong if you have not selected option B. You have to solve it like this, that SP of 10 articles is equal to CP of 8 articles. That means SP upon CP is equal to 8 by 10. That means if SP is equal to 8 and CP is equal to 10, that means we are having what? Loss of 2 rupees. That's how we reach what? Selling price as 8. So loss percentage is equal to loss upon CP. That means 2 upon 10 into 100. 1. Okay. So yeah, this will be actually 20. Okay, 20 percentage. Bingo. You got correct answer. Those who don't know the reference, you can refer to my yesterday's YouTube class. That is free class. Okay. On this channel only. Now let's start with simple interest and compound interest. First, I would like to recall all the formulas. Only these two formulas we will do. Simple interest ka formula is what? Principal into rate into time upon 100. That's fine. Principal into rate into time upon 100 equal to SI. That's okay. This is okay. Right? Now, compound interest formula is what? If you have not written, if you forgot, please write it again. Right now in your notebooks, and you have to write every single thing. Okay, so compound interest is what? In compound interest, we have two formulas. That is, one is amount. Amount is equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power t. Okay, raised to the power t. And compound interest is equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power t minus principal. Why? Because compound interest is nothing but amount minus principal. Is it clear? Is this much clear? And this is amounts formula. And then we'll do minus p, so we'll get what? Compound interest. Now in case of amount in the simple interest, amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Okay, so that principal, okay, principal we don't know, simple interest formula we have done, so it will be principal plus p into r into t upon 100. Okay, right? Okay, so that's it. That is the formula for amount. If you want to combine it more, so you can take p common, and this will be 100 plus r into t upon whole upon 100. Okay, whole upon 100. That also you can write if you want, otherwise if you don't want, don't write it. This, how I've done this, by taking p common and then leaving this 1, okay, then taking the LCM of 100. Okay, that's it, nothing else. If you don't want to write this, you can leave this. Okay, now let's see if n is introduced. That means compound interest semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, all that is introduced. Then what we are going to do, we are going to put n in upon and n in multiplication also. That's what we have done. Okay, that is n in upon and n in multiplication also. You can write the formula one more time if you feel. That is, A is equal to principal 1 plus rate. Now rate upon n. N stands for number of periods. That means suppose You are receiving the interest semi-annually. So your N will become what? 2. If you are receiving the interest quarterly, so how many quarters are there? 4 quarters are there. So 4. If you are receiving the interest monthly, how many months are there in the whole year? 12 months. So N will become 12 accordingly. Okay, so N by N, R by N upon 100 and T into N. T से we will multiply and N में we will do upon. Is that clear? Is this much clear? Yes or no? Shall we go ahead with the questions? Questions? Right? Okay. Now, first question in front of you. First, you have to calculate what? Simple interest. I think so, yes. The question is related to simple interest. The man took a loan from a bank at the rate of, that means rate percentage is given, and at simple interest. After 3 years, time limit is also given. Okay, he had to pay this much interest only for the period. Okay, that means this is SI, this much interest only. So what we have to find out? We have to find out principal. Please quickly put that in formula and try to answer it as quick as possible. It's very simple, just simple interest, nothing else. Huh. Try to find out and quickly answer in the comment section. Quickly answer. I really want to know what's the answer. Who will give correct answer first in the comment section? Okay, I got first answer correct. Correct answer from Ramakant, Shanmukha, Afsar, Kavita, and who else? Who else? Sunita, Anil, Gurleen, Manisha, Ganesh. Very nice. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Sajal. Okay, Itisha. Everyone has given answer. Great. Basically, SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, what is SI? SI is 5400 is equal to what is P? I don't know. That's what we are searching for. Okay, R is actually 12 into time period is 3 divided by 100. Now, we'll just take P this side only and we'll try to put 5400 then into 100. Okay, and then we'll take these two numbers here and we'll put divide by 12 and divide by 3. Now, do you know that this will cross, sorry, this will be slash slash? ये slash slash हो सकता है, ये आपको पता है? Yes or no? हो सकता है? हो सकता है? करो, please do it. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Can you do it? See, this is one time, this is 1 and then 2, 24. So that will be 8 times. Okay. Now, and double zero. Fine. Now, this is again 6 and this is 900. Okay. 2. Okay. This is 300. Then 1, 150. So basically 15000. So that's your answer. Okay. Now, next one. The simple interest on a sum of money will be 200 after 5 years. Okay, we got to know. In the next 5 years, that means first 5 years की story तो बता दी. That is in the first 5 years, what is happening? See, the simple interest is written as 200. Okay. In the next 5 years, that means next 5 years की story में, what we have to do? We have to see that the principal is tripled. Okay, so जो भी principal था वो triple हो गया. If any one factor is increased, then ultimately क्या होगा? What will be SI? SI will also increase respectively, isn't it? अगर हमने 10,000 rupees suppose invest किए at 10% in 1 year, तो जितना interest आएगा versus 30,000 rupees invest किए at 10% for 1 year, तो simple interest भी triple हो जाएगा with that logic. Simple interest will also get triple. If simple interest will get triple, so 200 का triple, what it will be? 600. Now please tell me, ye 5 years plus ye 5 years. What's the total answer you are getting? What is the total answer? Quickly, please tell me. Quickly. What answer you are getting? Okay. Answer of question number 2. Very nice, very nice. You all are getting what? Joshin, Manisha, Ramakant, Itisha, Shanmukha. Okay, everybody. Okay, Kavita, Afsar, Sajil, Ganesh, Sangamitra, Twinkle, Lekha, everybody is getting C. Very nice. That is 200 plus 600, 800. Any doubt in this question? You don't have to go with the traditional method because the rate of interest is also not given, principal is also not given, simple interest is also not given. So you just have to apply the calculation. You just have to apply suppose. ठीक है, आई होप आप सबको समझ आया. ऐसा कोई है जिससे नहीं समझ आया? Anyone? हमें बताना है जस्ट द टोटल इंटरेस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द 10th ईयर. दैट्स इट. मतलब कि टोटल इंटरेस्ट पूरा का पूरा मिला के बता दो. इज देयर एनीवन इन क्लास हु डिड नॉट गेट दिस? एवरीवन got that? You can put a suppose also. Right. Now, next question. The rates of simple interest in two banks. See, what is given? The rates are given. Rates. Rates are X percentage and rates in two banks X and Y are in the ratio of 10 as well as 8. 10x and 8x. Okay, 10 percentage, 8 percentage. Somewhere in the ratio of 10 is to 8. Rajni wants to deposit her total savings into two banks. अब रजनी को क्या चाहिए? What Rajni wants? They want to put their money in. अच्छा, Rajni want to put their money in two banks, Bank X and Bank Y, जहाँ पे where the rate of interest is actually 10 is to 8. Fine. Okay. Now, in such a way that she receives equal half yearly interest from both. That means she actually want to receive equal amount of interest. Okay. Equal interest. Equal simple interest or compound interest? Equal simple interest. Equal simple interest. Okay. In both the cases. Okay. She should deposit the savings in bank X and bank Y in such a ratio. ऐसा कौन सा ratio होगा? What should be the ratio of the deposit? That means what will be the deposit? Principal amount. Principal amount. Okay. So what should be the deposit ratio of X and Y? Very nice. I can see clear answer. Very nice. Ramakant, Manisha, Ganesh, Gurleen. Okay. Sajal and Kavita and Afsar has given answer. Very quick. Shanmukha also has given answer. Okay. So, shall I start solving this out? सोचो. Shall I start solving this out कि ये कैसे होगा? Now, you can see. Suppose I want principal of x upon principal of y का ratio. That is what it is asking. Principal of x upon principal of y. Right? Okay. Now, principal of x is what? Can I write SI, simple interest, upon rate into time period? And then whole upon SI upon rate into time period. Okay. Now, I know that the time period, everybody know that the time period is exactly same. So we'll do slash slash. Okay. And everybody know that simple interest they are receiving is also same. That is also specified in the question. Okay. So this is rate of X and rate of Y. If we just put it simply, okay, that will be, this will go up. So this will be rate of Y upon rate of X. So that will be 8 upon 10. That will be 4 upon 5. That's your answer. Any problem here? Any problem here? Simply just put the formula and you'll get your answer. किसी को कोई दिक्कत? कोई problem? If no, if you have successfully solved the first three questions, including the homework question, then please click on the like button of this video. Those who have joined right now, and those who have not clicked, I'll give you compound interest questions also. Very nice, very nice. Afsar has also said that principal and rate of interest, they will be inversely proportionate. That means they will be reciprocal. Okay. Now, next one. Hello. One more. According to a new plan rolled out by ICICI Bank, the rate of simple interest on certain sum of money is 8% per annum. What is PA per annum for the first 2 years? मतलब मैं ऐसे मान लूँ, shall I assume that simple interest is given for the first year and for the second year it is given 8% and 8% respectively. Then 10% per annum for the next 3 years. That means third year, fourth year, fifth year, next 3 years, 10%, 10%, 10%. Okay. And 6% for the period beyond the first 5 years. So first 5 years तो हो गए. Okay. Then remaining time period के लिए it will be 6% per annum. So how many years we have to take? The simple interest accrued on the sum of for a period of 8 years. We have to consider till 8 years. That means 6, 7, 8. 6%, 6%, 6%. Okay. So simple interest is given as 6%. Okay. Simple interest. What is the given information? पहले तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? What we will write first? What is the given information? Simple interest is given. Okay. Time period 8 years is given. Okay. Rate, I don't know that what should be that one rate. I will simply calculate what? Average rate percentage. Okay. And then we have to find out what? Principal. Already like, that's great. Okay. Not understood the half yearly line. Okay, Shanmukha. Just after this question, I'll go back to that question. Come on, come on. Please find out what should be the average rate. I want to know what is the average rate. Average rate. I think that the average rate should be what? देखो, 8. Okay. 8 into 2. 8 into 2 years plus 10 into 3 years plus 6 into 3 years divided by total how many number of years? 8. So ultimately this is coming as 8 to the 16 plus 30, 16 plus 30 plus 18. Okay, upon 8. So that means this will be 64 by 8. That means it will be 8 percentage. I'm directly writing it 8 percentage. I'm sure you might have calculated. I know some calculation is going behind me, but I'm sure you might have written exactly same. Same. Likha? Okay. Very nice, very nice. Some of you have already written 8 percentage. Good. Manisha, Polami, Shweta. Very nice. Okay. So rate आ गई. अब why? What are we waiting for? We should quickly calculate what? Principal. What is that? SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100, or you can say P is equal to SI into 100 divided by R into T. Okay, so your SI is actually 12800 into 100. Rate is 8, time period is 8. Start doing slash slash and then you'll get answer. मैम 6% for 3 years कैसे पता चला? ओके अनिल, क्वेश्चन में लिखा है, देखो यहाँ तक आपने रीड कर लिया? वेट Anil, in the question it is written and 6% per annum for the period beyond the first 5 years. मतलब 5 years के बाद आपने जितने भी years लिए question में उसके लिए आप 6% per annum put कर सकते हैं every year के लिए. अब कितने years तक put करना है? 8 years तक. Getting it? पहले 8% 2 साल के लिए, then 10% अगले 3 years के लिए. 5 years complete हो गए. उसके आगे बियॉन्ड 5 years, बियॉन्ड these 5 years जितना भी है, उन ईयर्स पे, उन दोज ईयर्स you will put 6% per annum. Did you get that? Joshin, yes, very nice. Correct. Joshin, correct. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, you who had that doubt? Somebody was having one doubt. Shanmukha, not getting that half yearly interest from both. See, देखो क्या होता है, जैसे half yearly, compounded half yearly, compounded quarterly, compounded monthly, all these concepts will work where in the compound interest. अभी अगर आप even if you try to fit that half yearly in simple interest, okay, or quarterly in simple interest, what will happen? The effect will nullify. Like suppose simple interest may if you are putting P into R into T upon 100. Suppose if I write half yearly, okay, so what you have learned that in case of rate gets half, rate R upon N, okay, rate gets half, and in case of time gets N into T, right? This is in the case of compound interest. If you try to put the same thing in this simple interest also, you see what happens. P into R by N into NT upon 100. तो ultimately क्या होगा? Ultimately ये n से n will slash it down. So ultimately you will get again the same answer. That's why there is no need, no effect of this, of half yearly, quarterly, monthly, half year interest, okay, per annum, per quarter. No effect on simple interest. Simple interest is pretty simple. Getting it? Yeah, it gets cancelled. Okay, good that you asked this question. I'm sure that many students might have doubt in the same question. Now, this one you have done. You all have completed with 20,000. Let's see the fifth question. 16,000 was invested for the 3 years. Okay. Now, partly in scheme A at the rate of 5% simple interest, and partly in scheme B at the rate of 8% simple interest per annum. The total interest received at the end was 3480. What amount of money was invested in scheme A? So now this is actually a simple interest question. Seems a little bit tricky, maybe or maybe not. You can start with whatever is the given information, draw the diagram and start solving. If you want, I can draw the diagram for you. I'm giving you some time and then I'll start solving for you. Should I start solving? Should I start? Oh, wait. Let me see what answers you are getting. Okay, yes, no, okay. Very nice. I really want to know that what answer you're getting. If anyone gets stuck, that okay, how to start, you can definitely ask me. Very nice, very nice. Okay, only, only Ramakant got correct answer till now. Very nice, superb, amazing. Ramakant has given answer. You're late, no problem, Sweta. Sweta, you were not there yesterday also, I guess. Yesterday you were there? Manisha got a very nice. Manisha also get correct answer. 4,000. Kavita, very okay. So see, Kavita, Pavitri, Polumi, let's solve it together. Kitna aya? Lekha also get correct answer. Yes, Manisha also. See, 16,000 was invested for 3 years. Now 16,000 was the principal amount which was invested in scheme A and partly in scheme B. We don't know that how much in scheme A and how much in scheme B, but at least some of the amount, some of the principal amount was in scheme A and some of the it was in scheme B, and the total amount was 16,000. यहाँ तक clear है क्या? Till this, till this, the story is clear or not? You did it with options. Awesome. That's so nice. Superb. That's very impressive way. Okay. Till here, is it clear kya? Till here? Yes or no? Whatever I've written till here, is it clear? Now, now I want to write that is scheme A, something for scheme A and something for scheme B. In case of, acha, in case of scheme A and scheme B, see, the rate, the simple interest rate is what? 5% year. Okay, 5% per annum. And partly in scheme B, where the rate of interest, the rate is equal to what? 8% per annum. Okay, the total interest received at the end, that means total SI from these two schemes is what? 3480. This completes our information ki karna kya hai, kahan se we have to start. Dekho, SI, can I say that SI, total SI will be equal to SI for scheme A plus SI for scheme B. Is it okay? Total. Okay, nice. Okay, now scheme A ka SI. How we will calculate? Principal into rate into time upon 100 plus principal into rate into time upon 100. Okay, total SI how much is given? 3480. From where we have taken? From here. Okay, let's just take it from here. Now I want to know what is principal of A. I don't know what is principal of A. यही तो ढूंढना है. What is the amount invested in the scheme of A? Now, instead of writing principal of B, can I write it will be 16,000 minus principal of A? Can I just substitute? Because this information is also given. So we'll just try to substitute it. You can see 3480 is equal to principal of A into rate. What is the rate given? 5%. How much time period? It is invested. Both are invested for 3 years upon 100. Plus, I am writing 16,000 minus principal of A into what is the rate of B, that is 8%, time period 3 upon what? Upon 100. Now you'll just solve it. Just solve this. If I want, I can take 3 upon 100 as common, that is 3480 is equal to 3 upon 100 as common, and then I can do this, that PA remaining will be PA into 5, okay, 5%, okay, plus it will be what? 16,000 into 8. What is 16,000 into 8? 16 into 8 za, that is 8 8 za 64, 64 plus 64 128. So 128 000. Okay, minus 8%. Oh sorry, you can write PA 8%. Okay, and then 3 upon 100 I've already taken common. Okay, I've already taken common. Now I'm just trying to solve that on the next page. That is 3480 into 100 upon 3. From where I've taken this into 100 upon 3? From here. I hope you can relate. 100 I've taken here and 3 I've taken here. Okay, so now, and remaining equation, let me write exactly the same way as it was written. That is PA of 5% minus हाँ minus PA 8% plus 128,000. Now just do slash slash with here. Let's do slash slash with here. One time one one this 1 year carry forward 60. So it will be 116,000 minus 128,000 is equal to what? 3% of PA. Now, what is 116 minus 128? That will be 12,000. Okay, this will be just 12. 28 minus 16 is 12 equal to PA 3%. Okay, so PA will be equal to 12,000 divided by 3. That is actually 4,000. That's your answer. If you want, you can solve that with options also by putting in scheme A. First, you have to put what? 6,000. So the remaining amount will be in scheme B. That is total amount is 16. So scheme B may it will be 10,000. Then scheme A may you can try 6,500. Remaining amount in scheme B. Then 4,500 and then 4,000 in scheme A. अगर आपको चाहिए वैसा करो एंड इफ अगर ऐसा चाहिए तो ऐसा करो. In whichever way you feel more and more convenient. Did you all get that? Any problem here? Any problem? Please tell me. If you feel little bit problem in multiplication, in division, in for calculating the percentage and all, thoda with practice it will come. Little bit with practice it will come. Daily you have to practice a little bit. 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If you practice, it will be okay. All right. Okay. Baki, meaning wise, is it okay? Is it clear? Meaning is clear? Tricky था. अच्छा, नहीं, tricky तो नहीं था. I'm sure this was not tricky because total simple interest was given. Simple interest part A, part B, you just have to add and you have to substitute. All the information was given. Compound interest भी नहीं था. Ma'am, can't we do 15% per annum 16,000? Why you want to do 15%? Anjana, from where you got that 15%? I cannot see. Okay, this question, this particular question is one of your PYQ. That question number 5. Can't we do 15 principal minus 16,000? No, I'm not getting it. I think you are saying, I think you're saying totally opposite. Acha, you want to calculate principal of B. हाँ ठीक है, if you want to calculate principal of B, you can calculate it. Anjana, no problem in that. But उससे क्या होगा? There may be some problem in the ultimate answer. क्यों? क्योंकि question में क्या पूछा? What is asked in question? That what is the amount? What is the amount which invested in scheme A? So why not to keep this only and only this as a variable component and remaining को let's just substitute, eliminate and put something else instead of putting PB. 5 into 3. No. Acha, this one you are saying this. Yes, this you can put 15 upon 100 and this also you have to multiply. That is 24 into 16. So that will be a little bit one step, thoda sa big calculation, but ultimately you will reach to the answer. 100% correct. Okay? Yeah. Next one. Ram borrowed 2.5 lakh from the bank to purchase one car. Okay, fine. Down payment के लिए anything for Ram has borrowed. The rate of interest is 6% per annum compounded annually. Now, what payment he will have to make after 2 years, 6 months? Now, compounded annually is okay. Now you have to calculate for 2 years and 6 months. मैम, क्या आकाश, क्या बता दूं आपकी? आपने क्या की है? नो, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर क्वेश्चन. मैम, टी. अच्छा, in this, okay, in this T is the 2 years, 6 months. Okay, see, Ram borrowed 2.5 lakh. Acha, shall we solve this together? I'm still not getting your question, Akash. It's okay. Huh. Awesome. Some of you have already got answers. Very nice, very nice. That is answer as D. Ramakant has got answer. Rishabh got answer. Very nice. Good, good, good. Acha, okay. Let's start it together. That is, see, principal is given 2.5 lakh. Okay. From a bank to purchase one car. If the rate of interest is given 6%, compounded annually, what payment will have to make after time period of 2.5 years? That is 2 years, 6 months. 2 years, 6 months. Okay. Now, so let's go to so what payment he have to make? That means what should be the amount is simple, pretty simple. That is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power t. Okay, yes, Akash. Yes. Okay, now principal is written as 2, sorry, wait, I'm writing it here, 2,50,000. Okay, then what is one? See, okay, what is rate? Rate is given 6%. Okay, time period is 2.5 years. So see, Anil, अभी आपको इस क्वेश्चन में एक चीज समझ में आ जाएगी कि टाइम पीरियड हम कैसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ये कंपाउंडेड एनुअली है. कंपाउंडेड एनुअली, राइट. मतलब एक बार 1 ईयर के बाद, आफ्टर 1 ईयर, हमें कितना परसेंट इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा? 6%. सिमिलरली, हमें सेकेंड ईयर के बाद, इफ वी टेक सेकेंड ईयर, हमें कितना परसेंट इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा? 6%. ठीक है, ये सेकेंड ईयर. उसके बाद उसके नेक्स्ट हाफ ईयर में, अब देखो, पूरे साल का अगर 6% है, हमें तो सिर्फ हाफ ईयर तक का ही परसेंट चाहिए. तो हाफ ईयर में हमें कितना परसेंट इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा? 3%. इज इट ओके? यस. ओके, यस, 3%. सो नाउ ये मैंने ले लिया. अच्छा, अब व्हाट आई हैव डन, आई हैव टेकन दिस फॉर 2 years. 2 years, one time for 6%, another time for 6%. नेक्स्ट, अब मैं एक और बार पुट करूंगी रेट. आई पुट रेट वन मोर टाइम. दैट इज जस्ट हाफ रेट, दैट इज 3%. ओके, दैट इज जस्ट फॉर वन टाइम. Why one time? Because I would like to do, that is 6 divided by 2. When I've actually done 6 divided by 2, so I will be doing that half year into 2, that is time period into n यहाँ पे. So it will be half into 2, that means again it will be 1 only. 1. Okay, so ultimately you are getting this equation. Okay, the one that you see on board. You can see A is equal to 2,50,000, and here you will get what? Here, try to do slash slash. This is 3 times, this is 50 times. So I can put 53 upon 50 and iska square, and then this is what? 103 upon 100. Is this much clear? Huh. This much clear? Yes or no? क्योंकि हमने क्या किया, what we have actually done, we have done rate का half and time period का double, that is half year का double, so ultimately it will be just one only. Now just start solving it. So it will be 2,50,000, okay, into 53 upon 50 into 53 upon 50 into 103 upon 100. Now we'll play the slash slash game, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 all slash slash. This is one time, this is 5 times, this is again one time, this is again one time. So ultimately we just have to multiply 53 into 53 into 103. That will give you answer. Correct? Awesome. Is everyone getting it? Everyone getting it? Yes or no? 53 into 53 into 103. You will get your answer. आ गया? Yes or no? Hmm. Okay, that's great. Now, next one. Question number 7. A certain amount of money. Ma'am, yes. Yes, please do ask. Please do ask. I'm here to solve your doubt only. कि कहीं भी जहाँ भी wherever you are having problems so that you do not face this problem again. Yes, D is the answer. Definitely. See, now I will not do multiply again and again for you. That you can do. But what you have to do, that I'm telling you. And don't worry, in exam it will be pretty simple. Or even if this is given, then also you can find out the answer. मुझे बताओ रेट में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अगेन शुड आई टेल यू रिलेटेड टू रेट? देखो, रेट परसेंट बताइए प्लीज. ओके श्योर. देखो, रेट परसेंट का ये है, कॉन्सेप्चुअली यू विल राइट दिस फर्स्ट 1 ईयर में you actually got what? First 1 year में you have received 6% rate. Okay, 6% rate of interest. Second year में, again, in second year, how much interest you got? 6%. Okay, then in the next year, in the third year, are we going to get whole 6%? No, 6% is for the whole year, na? We are going to get only and only for the half year. For the half year, it will be 3%. Why? Because the time period is 2.5 years. That is 2 years, 6 months. 6 months, that means half year. So half year mein only 3%. Ma'am, I'm getting very nice, Tanmukha. Awesome. That's the correct answer. See, 289327, that is the only correct answer. If you're getting 25, sorry, if it is written in option 25, then also it's okay. Just 2 rupees ka difference is there. But the correct answer when I solved, that is also 27. And this one, this is again your PYQ. Gurleen, अब आपको समझ आया? You got to know. So in short, what you're going to do, everyone, those who get confused in formula, please write the formula one more time, that your amount will be equal to what? First, you'll write principal, then 1 plus, what should be rate? It should be 6%. For how many time period? What should be time period? 2 years. Okay, then remaining 3% you will get in how much time period, Gurleen, you will get this? You will get this in half a year. But see, whenever we put rate is equal to R by N. That N is equal to 2. So you have actually done here 6 by 2. यहाँ से आया. And time period you actually do 2, sorry, N into T. So here N is again 2. So you are going to put again 2. So that's why this is ultimately coming as 1 plus 3 by 100 and raised to the power 1. I hope it is clear for everybody, everyone. Now, next question. You can see a certain amount of money is lent out at the compound interest of 20% for 2 years. Sorry, 20% for 2 years, compounded annually. Okay, awesome. It is compounded annually. It would give 482 rupees more if the amount is compounded half yearly. You have to find out the principal. Very nice. That's great. That's great. Acha, is it okay that we will solve few more questions so that annually and semi annually, compounded half yearly and annually, सब कुछ आपका बहुत clear होते जाए, everything. I feel okay na, we can take the class till 5 p.m. also, right? Hope nobody has to go somewhere, anywhere. We can. Shall I start? If you do all these questions, trust me, if you even repeat these questions, if you practice these questions, ये सारे के सारे questions आप फिर से practice करें honestly on your own, and if you master these questions, you won't be scared in your examination, चाहे कोई भी question आ जाए आपके सामने, simple interest का, compound interest का, trust me, you won't be scared. Okay, chalo, let's see. Certain amount. I don't know what is the amount. I don't know what is principal. That we have to find it out. That is lent out at a compound interest. Rate is given. Okay, fine. For time period is 2 years. That is given. Now compounded annually. मुझे एक चीज बताओ. Just think about it. अगर if I'll give you compounded half yearly, their rate of interest will be more, or compounded annually, their rate of interest will be more. सोच के बताओ. Think about it. And when we will get the PDF of this session, whenever you want, if you want, after the class also, I can give. No, wait. Just after the class, today to not possible, but maybe till tonight or tomorrow. On Telegram I can give. Half will be more. Very nice. Joshin has given half will be more. Half yearly will be more, right? Question ke according to the question also, it is written that it would give 482 rupees more if the compound interest, if the amount was compounded half yearly, right? Okay, so suppose compound interest is half yearly minus compound interest annually, that will be, the difference is 482. Itna pata chal gaya? Did you get to know this? Yes or no? Okay, did you get to know this? Now see, what is compound interest ka formula? I'm just putting it out in formula. That is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power t minus p minus p 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power t. And since this one is in minus and then again minus, it will be p. So when this bracket will open out, kaun sa bracket? You can see. Oh, you can see this bracket will open out ना, ये bracket जैसे ही open होगा तो ये minus and then ये हो जाएगा plus. I'm just opening it out here only. Okay, I'm just removing this and I'm putting a plus sign. So now, can you all see that in this question, ये and ये cancelled? We have only this much left, where we have to find out what principal. Okay, principal is common. What is rate? Rate कितना given है? If it is compounded half yearly, what is the rate? 20%. Okay. Now R upon N, that is 20 by 2 divided by 100. And then T into N. That means time period is what? 2 years. 2 years. So it will be 2 into 2 minus P 1 plus what is R? 20 by 10. Okay. And raised to the power 2. So you just have to solve this. 482. Okay, so this will be actually 10. Okay, so now this will be P. Now 1 and 10 again. So 11 by 10 raised to the power 4 minus again P. That will be, this is 1 time, this is 5 times. So 6 by 5 square equal to 482. Please solve it. Please solve it. Shall I solve? Okay, let me solve. P 11 by 10 raised to the power 4 minus P 5 by 6 raised to the power 2 equal to 482. Okay, now what is 11 into 11? That is 121. What is into 11? That is, I have told you to do cubes also. That is 1331. What is into 11? 1331 into 11. That will be 14641. Okay, so 14641 divided by 1000 minus, this will be 25. Okay, 6 by 5. Sorry. है ना, by chance I've given थोड़ा सा उल्टा. This is 6 by 5. So this will be 36 by 25. Okay. And then I've taken what? P common. That is equal to 482. Now, you can see यहाँ पे this, if you take LCM will be again 10,000. Okay. And 25 कितनी times जाता है? 25. This will be 400 times. That means 36 into 400. Just do that. 36 into 400. That will be 14400. Okay. So this you are getting what? 14641 minus 14400 divided by 10,000 equal to 482. What is this difference? What is this difference? What difference you are getting? 14641 minus 14400. 241. Is it? Are you getting 241? 241 divided by 10,000 into P and equal to 482. Now, you all can do very simply right now. Just after this, just do cross multiplication and then just slash it down. That is P will be equal to 482 into 10,000 divided by 241. This will be 1 time, this will be 2 times. So the answer is 20K. Okay? Yes? Okay. Is it clear? Is this much clear? Now, next question. Aditya and Bhushan. There are two people. Aditya and Bhushan. They both invested in each scheme. Okay. किसमें invest किया? Scheme में invest किया. Scheme A and Scheme B respectively for 3 years. Okay. Each. That means Aditya and Bhushan. They have invested principal amount of 10K and principal amount of 10K. Okay. For how much time period? Time period 3 years. And here also time period is what? 3 years. Okay. Now, मैम हाफ ईयरली में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट कैसे? एग्जैक्टली अनिल, हाफ ईयरली कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली में ही तो ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट होगा. दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव डिसाइडेड. अभी अभी तो बात की हमने इस चीज़ के बारे में. एंड you can see that in this also. If you read this, it would give 482 rupees more if the amount is compounded half yearly. अगर हमने half yearly किया होता तो हमें कितना ज़्यादा मिलेगा मनी? 482 rupees more. और ये चीज़ प्रैक्टिकली कैसे पॉसिबल होती है? इट्स प्रीटी सिंपल. दैट हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल, यू कैन सी. वेट, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू ऑन दिस पेज. देखो, सपोज राइट नाउ मुझे ना 10% मिला पर एनम. ओके. नाउ अगर मैं उसे कंपाउंडेड सेमी एनुअली कर देती हूँ या हाफ ईयरली कर देती हूँ, इसका मतलब 5% तो मुझे यहाँ मिल गया. ओके. मतलब 100 रुपीज़ पर 5% तो यहाँ मिल गया. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हाफ में 100 पर 5% नहीं मिलेगा, 105 पर 5% मिलेगा. सो डोंट यू थिंक जो कि 110 रुपीज़ से ज़्यादा होगा, विच विल बी एक्चुअली मोर देन 110 रुपीज़. आप करके देखो ये कैलकुलेशन. That will be 5.25 rupees. ओके. अगर आपने ये कर दिया तो टोटल आपका सेमी कंपाउंडेड, सॉरी सेमी एनुअली, कंपाउंडेड सेमी एनुअली वो आ जाएगा 10.25 रुपीज, whereas annually it will be just 10 rupees. हाँ, ये सीआई में डेफिनेटली ज़्यादा होगा, और सेमी एनुअली और यू कैन से हाफिली कंपाउंडेड में डेफिनेटली ज़्यादा होगा, राइट? Very nice. Ramakant has actually answered this question also. That is answer C. Awesome. Answer is definitely C. How come? Let's see. That principal is given 10K, 10K. Time is given was 3 years and 3 years. And then uh, A offers. A offers a simple interest. SI at the rate is given as 12%. And scheme B offers, oh nice, compound interest at the rate of 10%. After 3 years, who will have larger amount and by how much? So basically we have to calculate taking both A and B. इसको simple interest से calculate करो. SI is equal to P into R into T. Quickly, that is 10K into R is 12 into 3 upon 100. So you will get what? 36. Are you getting 3600? Is it? Yes or no? Please tell me. Neeraj also got answer? Okay. 13600. SI is 13600. No, no, no. SI is 3600. See, how come 10,000 into 12 into 3 divided by 100? So that means these two slash slash. So this will be 3600. Right? Okay. What about CI? CI, you are getting what? Principal. I'm writing directly principal. Then 1 plus. What is rate? Rate is 10% upon 100. What is the time period? Time period is 3 years. Compounded annually, na? Yes, simple. Compounded annually. So this will be what? 10,000. Okay, this is 1. This is 10. So this will be 11 into 11 into 11 divided by 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, I'll just do little slash 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 slash. So you are getting what? One and minus 10,000 again. So it will be 13310 minus 10,000. So you are getting what? 3310 in case of compound interest. Now you can see A is getting 3600. Okay, B is getting 310. Okay, just do minus. You will get that A is actually, sorry, this is 10 only. Yeah, it is actually leading with 90 and then 290. Got that? If there is anyone who gets confused or who forgets that अच्छा 11 into 11 into 11 ऐसे कैसे इतना जल्दी कर दिया? How I've done so quickly? Because I have learned what? Tables. Okay, 11 into 11 is what? 121. Into 11 is what? 1331. So into 10, that will be 13310. Only this question you have solved by own. Very nice, Pavitri. I am so impressed because in this question you have solved with SI as well as CI. Both you have managed. I have done the difference of the amounts. You don't have to do difference of the amount because ठीक है, you can do that also. ठीक है. Because see, principal और principal तो दोनों में same है ना. Principal is 10,000, 10,000. So even if you do difference of the amount, that will be also giving the same answer. Right? Now, next one. Acha, okay. We'll leave this question. We'll go to now last part of the story. The last part is basically now we are going to deal with first एक तो 1.5 year Remember this question we have done in plus class also. I'm sure some of you remember. Anil, आपको याद है यही आपका डाउट था कि one time compound interest was given annually, then compound interest was given semi-annually, and then there was a twist and turn related to the years. In this question, it is asking about the larger amount, ma'am. Yes, yes, perfectly right. So you can definitely do with amount also. It will give you the same answer. I've just tried a little bit of shortcut and got the same answer. So you are also right. I am also right. Okay. Now, Anil, आपका ये वाला डाउट था? Yes? I feel so. I think so. आपने यही वाला डाउट पूछा था. That is compound interest on 5,000. Let's solve this together. Let's solve this together. Okay, Ramakant has already given answer as B. Awesome, awesome. Rishabh has also given answer as B. 304. That's amazing. Okay, you can see compound interest is equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power t. Okay, now good. Ganesh, Manisha, Joshin, everybody has given the same answer. Good, good, good. So now, and minus p we are going to do. What is principal? Principal is 5,000. How much rate is there? 4%. Okay. What is the time period? Time period is 1.5 year. That means, can I say that for the first 1 year, पहले साल में आपको 4% रेट मिला, 1 year में आपको 4% रेट मिला. ओके. एंड देन नेक्स्ट ईयर आपको सिर्फ हाफ ईयर तक का ही इंटरेस्ट मिला. यू हैव रिसीव्ड ओनली एंड ओनली इंटरेस्ट टिल हाफ ईयर. दैट इज 2%. Okay, how this 2% comes? Okay, that is half year में. That is equal to 4 divided by 2, right? Okay, so now here also I'll be writing, that is, this will be equal to 1 plus 2 by 100. I can put simply like this because this is my another year, okay, which is my half year. Or if you want, you can put half into 2 also. Okay, that will give you the same answer. Now let's start doing slash slash. This is 1 time, this is 25 times, then this is 1 time, this is 50 times. So this will be 5,000 into 26 by 25, and then this will be 51 by 50. Okay, yeah. Remember difference? Yes, numbers यही थे, isn't it, Anil? Numbers आपके यही थे. पहले हम कंपाउंडेड एनुअली सॉल्व करेंगे, फिर इसी को ही कंपाउंडेड सेमी एनुअली सॉल्व करेंगे. जैसे ही आपका रिजल्ट आ जाएगा, आप उन दोनों को माइनस करके देखना. आई एम श्योर आपका आंसर एग्जैक्टली सेम आएगा. मुझे आंसर भी याद है, इट वाज 2.04. 2.04. Okay, now let's start doing slash slash 1 time, and this is 100, then this is 1, this is 4. So just do 26 into 4 into 51. I know 25 into 4 is 100, so 26 into 4 will be 104. Okay, into 51. Let's do that. Okay, so and yeah, minus 5,000 करना भूल गए, ये भी करना है, minus 5k. So you are getting 5304 minus 5k. Your answer is 304. इतना आया? Anil, इतना आ गया? Everyone got this much? Is there any problem in this question? Then please do let me know right now. Any problem? Any problem right now? Any problem? No? Very nice, Shanmukha. You got 5304. That is your amount. Amount में से you will remove the principal. You will get the compound interest. Principal is 5k. Okay, Shanmukha? Crystal clear. Awesome, Joshin. Shanmukha. Okay. Okay, great. Shall we go ahead? 26 कैसे? 26, अच्छा, ओके। 26 कैसे? देखो 26 कैसे आया। इट इज 1 प्लस, क्या था नंबर, 4/100। अब मुझे बताओ इसको कैसे सॉल्व करोगे? 1/25, तो आपका यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 1 + 1/25। अब मुझे एलसीएम लेके बताओ, इट विल बी 25। So this you will multiply here. So 25 + 1, that means 26/5. हम सारे questions में यही follow कर रहे हैं. Yes, 26 after taking LCM. Definitely. You will take the LCM. First you'll do simplify, then you take LCM and you get the answer. Got that? This we are applying in every single compound interest formula. Now, next type of question that you have to do with semi-annually, or you can say compounded half yearly. Okay, come on, start solving it. Ma'am, why you have done -5,000? Savitri, you have not done formula of compound interest. Compound interest -5,000 we are doing since the last 10 questions. Exactly the same thing. We have to find out amount. Where it is written, we have to find out amount. We have to find out compound interest. I am asking you the compound interest. The compound interest on this annually will be what? Every question may you have to find out what? Compound interest only. Okay? Okay. Next. Now, again you have to find out same principle. Year 1, rate of interest is 4%, but it is compounded semi-annually. Now try to find it out. Clear? Okay. Now again compound interest. Come on, let's solve it together. Compound interest is equal to principal. Now see Pavitri, it will be 1 plus rate by 100. Oh, not rate by 100. Rate upon n, because it is compounded semi-annually. Okay, and then time into n, t into n. Then minus principal, that will be your compound interest. What is principal? That is 5,000. 1 plus what is rate? Rate is 4. So what is r by n? 4 by 2. 4 by 2. Okay, and then 100. What is year? 1 is year and number of times is again 2. So multiply by 2. Minus principal, that is 5,000. Okay, now you'll just solve it quickly. Please solve it quickly. Don't take too much time. This is actually 2. Now this is 1. This is 50. Okay, so this is basically 5,000 into 51 upon 50 after taking LCM. Please take LCM. You will get it. Okay, minus 5,000. Awesome. Ganesh has given correct answer first. Anil has also given correct. Manisha correct. Awesome. Very nice. So this slash and then this will be what? 100. Then 1 time. This is what? 2 times. 51 into 51 into 2. Please tell me, is it coming as 5202? 5202 minus 5,000 is equal to what? 202 is your answer. Now if you're thinking, अरे मैम आपने तो चीटिंग करी, आप 51 into 51 into 2 आपने ऐसे कैसे कर दिया? मैम प्लीज डू इट ऑन बोर्ड. मैं घर से करके आई हूँ. I've done it. Now it's your time to do. I'm sure you know multiplication. Don't hesitate, don't copy, and do your own multiplication. Okay? ठीक है? Done? I'm just kidding. I just know answer. So accordingly, I'm just estimating what will be the multiplication, what will be answer after multiplication. Right? Got it? Okay. Next one. Homework करके आए हैं? Yes, of course. मैं homework करके आती हूँ. Okay, now we'll put both the concepts together. What together? We are going to put the compound interest on this For this 4% per annum compounded half yearly. अब क्या था previous question में क्या था, year was given simple, just semi annually was the little complicated thing, so we have done r by n and t into n. Okay, so now here again we are going to do r by n and t into n, and we are going to put how many years? 3 by 2 years, that means 1.5 years. So let's just solve it. See, let's just solve it. Compound interest is equal to principal 1 plus rate by 100 raised to the power t minus p. Now, we are going to see what is principal, that is 5,000. What is rate? What is rate? 4%. But compounded half yearly. Okay, that means semi-annually. That means 4 by 2. Okay, it is r by n, right? And t into n. Okay, upon 100, I have written. Any problem till here? Now t into n is a big challenge. Now instead of t into n, what is t? Basically 1.5 year. That means can I write it as 1 into 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 years. Yes. Now what is 3 by 2 years? So I've written 3 by 2 years, but I will be doing into n. Into n is what? Into 2 minus 5,000 again. Right? So now this is actually 2. इससे slash slash. So what we are actually getting? We are getting 5,000 into, this is 1 and this is 50. Now take LCM, you will get 51 by 50 and raised to the power 3. So 51 by 50, again 51 by 50. Okay, and then you have to do what? Minus 5,000. Okay, just do slash slash, you will get 100. Then your 1, here you'll get 2. Okay, your if you want, you can again do some slash slash, that is 1 and 25. Okay, then try to solve it. Now solve it. I'm sure you will get answer as what? 5306.04 minus 5,000. So it will be what? 306.04. सबका आया? Any problem here? अनिल, आपका डाउट सॉल्व हुआ? आपको सिंपली जो भी टाइम पीरियड है, पुट दैट टाइम पीरियड एंड यू एक्चुअली हैव टू multiply that time period with n and divide that rate by n. Ab Anil, you have these two numbers 306.04 and 304. You do this minus that, I'm sure you will get 2.04. That was your answer in the plus class. And question cannot come more complicated than this. I'm sure if NTA is giving you, they might even give you, instead of 4%, they might even give you 5% or 10%, where the calculation will be pretty simple, more simpler than this. Okay, very nice. Anjana, you have also done. Awesome. T equals to 2 into 3 by 2. Any problem till here? Please tell me. Please tell me. Any problem? I will do it. Yes, please do it again. On your own. Right? Huh. The only thing is that whenever this is, okay, wait. Whenever this is given, na, that is 2.5 years. Okay, so that means it is asking you 2.5 years. That means it is saying 5 by 4. Okay, and in that you have to do into 2. Okay, that is compounded. So again you will get what? 5 by 2. If it is given 1 by 1.5 year, then it will be 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 2, so it will be cube. Basically we have not done this in 2.5 years because 5 times multiply करना मुश्किल हो जाता. That's why we have just taken what? Square and 1 time half. Okay, and yeah, it will be pretty easy. That is 3 by 2 into 2. दोबारा, हाँ, एग्जैक्टली सेम क्वेश्चन, सेम नंबर। आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन लेके यू हैव टू टेक एग्जैक्टली सेम नंबर एंड सेम क्वेश्चन एंड यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस अगेन. Do not deviate with the question. Other than these, all the questions which were there in your PYQs till now, till 2022, I will be doing that till your examination. Don't worry about it. Okay, I will be giving you every single solution. For now, please take the homework question here that we will be discussing in the next class. मैम पहली बार क्लास ली है अब रोजाना. वेरी नाइस. रोजाना यू विल टेक अंतिम शर्मा. ओके. So, Sharma, we are having our next free class on YouTube a day after tomorrow for mathematical reasoning. You all have taken the screenshot? Yes? Please, huh? So, I always give you one homework question. You please try from your end and give me answer in the next free class. So, if you are thinking when is the next free class, it will be on the clock, concept of clock. And that will be on 3rd November 3:30 p.m. So make sure that yes, that time you will be like you will be revising all the concepts of clock that we have done in Unacademy Plus classes. Then it will be pretty simple for you. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. Right now in plus classes, I'm taking mathematical reasoning. And those who have not clicked on the like button of this video, please click on the like button and please do share it with your friends too. Those who have not covered the simple interest and compound interest. You can also save this all these this particular class in your mobile phone, in your laptop, because these questions were all from the NTA. All. I have not deviated any question. Okay, all the practice questions. So please click on the like button and you can share it with your friends. These are my paper 1 and paper 2 on Unacademy Plus platform. So if you're taking Plus subscription, don't forget to use my referral code NIX28. If you're preparing for 2023 examination, then it's the correct time to take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Don't forget to use my referral code NIX28. You'll get maximum discount. Also, you can ace your NTA UGC NET preparation by giving a scholarship test. That will be on 27th of November, 7 p.m. That will be only on paper 1. And we will be having 30 questions and in 60 minutes you have to solve. So first 500 students will be getting this, all these gifts. You can see they are very pretty exciting gifts. So make sure that you enroll. It is for free. Link I'll be giving in the description of this video also and on Telegram also. Don't forget to join Telegram, and my social media links are given in the description of this video. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow 10 a.m. for legal aspect of business. Bye. Bye. And 3:30 p.m.